What if surviving a long economy flight did not feel like punishment, but instead felt controlled, comfortable, and even productive? Most passengers step onto a plane unprepared, and that is exactly why long-haul economy feels exhausting, cramped, and frustrating. But the truth is, smart travelers follow specific strategies that airlines rarely talk about. In this video, 15 must-know tips to survive a long flight in economy. Like a pro in 2026, will completely change the way long flights are experienced, from takeoff to landing. Stay till the end to discover simple but powerful tricks that frequent flyers use every time they travel. If smarter travel and stress-free flying sounds useful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more practical travel insights. Number 15. Choose the right seat strategically. Seat selection is not just about preference. It directly impacts comfort, sleep quality, and even health during a long flight. Window seats provide control over light exposure and a surface to lean against, which helps with sleep. Aisle seats allow easier movement, which is critical for circulation on long flights. Seats near the wings experience less turbulence, making them ideal for those sensitive to motion. Avoid seats near restrooms due to noise and foot traffic. Extra legroom seats may cost more, but they can dramatically improve comfort over 8 to 12 hours. Checking seat maps before booking can make a noticeable difference in how the journey feels. Number 14. Dress for comfort and temperature changes. Cabin temperatures can shift unpredictably, often becoming colder during long-haul flights. Wearing layered clothing allows quick adjustment without discomfort. Loose-fitting outfits improve blood circulation and reduce the risk of stiffness. Compression socks are especially useful, helping prevent swelling and fatigue in the legs. Fabrics like cotton or moisture-wicking materials keep the body comfortable over long periods. Tight jeans, belts, or restrictive clothing should be avoided because they can make sitting for hours unbearable. Proper footwear also matters, as slipping shoes off mid-flight is common, so easy-to-remove shoes are ideal. Number 13. Stay hydrated throughout the flight. Cabin air is extremely dry, often causing dehydration faster than expected. Drinking water consistently helps maintain energy levels and prevents headaches and fatigue. Avoid excessive caffeine and alcohol, as both increase dehydration and disrupt sleep patterns. Carrying a reusable water bottle and refilling it after security ensures constant access to hydration. Skin dryness can also be reduced by drinking enough fluids. Hydration plays a major role in how the body feels after landing, especially on flights longer than 6 hours. Frequent travelers often prioritize water intake as one of the simplest yet most effective strategies. Number 12. Bring a travel pillow and neck support. Sleeping upright in economy is one of the biggest challenges during long flights. A good travel pillow provides essential neck support, preventing stiffness and discomfort. Memory foam pillows or ergonomic designs help maintain a natural head position. Without proper support, the head tends to fall forward or sideways, leading to interrupted sleep and neck pain. Pairing a pillow with a lightweight blanket or shawl can create a more restful setup. Investing in quality travel accessories may seem small, but it significantly improves rest and reduces fatigue upon arrival. Number 11. Download entertainment before boarding. In-flight entertainment systems are not always reliable or sufficient. Personal devices loaded with movies, shows, music, or podcasts ensure continuous entertainment regardless of airline limitations. Long flights can feel significantly shorter when engaging content is available. Offline playlists and downloaded videos prevent reliance on in-flight Wi-Fi, which can be slow or unavailable. Noise-canceling headphones further enhance the experience by blocking cabin noise. Preparing entertainment in advance eliminates boredom and helps pass time more comfortably. Number 10. Pack smart with essentials in carry-on. Access to important items during the flight is critical. Carry-on bags should include essentials like medications, chargers, snacks, hygiene products, and a change of clothes. Keeping items organized ensures quick access without disturbing others. A small pouch for frequently used items reduces the need to repeatedly open larger bags. Flights can sometimes face delays or lost luggage issues, so having essentials nearby prevents unnecessary stress. Smart packing transforms a long journey into a more controlled and manageable experience. Number 9. Move regularly to improve circulation. Sitting for extended periods can lead to stiffness and poor circulation. Standing up, stretching, or walking briefly every couple of hours helps maintain blood flow. Simple seated exercises like ankle rotations and leg stretches also make a difference. Movement reduces the risk of deep vein thrombosis and helps prevent muscle fatigue. Even small adjustments like changing sitting positions can improve comfort. Frequent flyers understand that staying still for too long is one of the main causes of post-flight exhaustion. Number 8. Eat light and choose meals wisely. Heavy meals can cause bloating and discomfort during flights due to cabin pressure changes. Opting for lighter meals helps digestion and keeps the body feeling better. Avoid overly salty or processed foods, as they can increase dehydration and swelling. Bringing healthy snacks like nuts or fruits ensures better control over diet during the flight. Eating smaller portions at regular intervals can maintain energy levels without causing discomfort. Smart food choices contribute significantly to overall comfort during long journeys. Number 7. Adjust sleep schedule before the flight. Jet lag can disrupt travel plans and reduce productivity after arrival. Gradually adjusting sleep schedules a few days before departure helps the body adapt to the destination time zone. Sleeping according to the destination's timing during the flight can ease the transition. Using eye masks and earplugs helps create a sleep-friendly environment even in economy class. Avoiding screens before sleep also improves rest quality. Preparing the body in advance reduces fatigue and allows a smoother adjustment after landing. Number 6. Use noise control for better comfort. Cabin noise is one of the biggest reasons passengers struggle to relax on long flights. Engine sounds, conversations, and movement inside the aircraft can constantly interrupt rest. Noise-canceling headphones or even simple earplugs can significantly reduce these distractions. Blocking out noise helps the mind relax faster and improves sleep quality. It also enhances the experience of watching movies or listening to music. A quieter environment allows the body to feel less stressed, which is especially important during long-haul travel. Many experienced travelers consider this one of the most effective ways to stay calm and comfortable in economy. Number 5. Keep personal hygiene in check. Long flights can leave passengers feeling tired, sticky, and uncomfortable. Carrying basic hygiene items like a toothbrush, face wipes, and deodorant can make a noticeable difference. Freshening up mid-flight or before landing helps restore energy and confidence. Dry cabin air can also affect skin, so using moisturizer or lip balm prevents dryness. Changing into a clean shirt during longer flights can instantly improve comfort. Maintaining hygiene is not just about appearance. It directly impacts how refreshed and relaxed the body feels throughout the journey. Number 4. Manage screen time to reduce fatigue. Spending hours staring at screens can lead to eye strain and mental exhaustion. While entertainment is important, balancing screen time with rest is essential. Taking breaks from devices allows the eyes to relax and prevents headaches. Adjusting screen brightness and using night mode can reduce strain during darker cabin hours. Listening to audio content instead of watching continuously can also help reduce fatigue. Managing screen exposure wisely ensures that the journey feels less draining and more balanced. Number 3. Use footrests or improvised support. Leg discomfort is a common issue in economy seating, especially on long flights. Using a portable footrest or even a small bag as support can improve sitting posture. Elevating the feet slightly reduces pressure on the lower back and improves circulation. This small adjustment can make long hours of sitting much more tolerable. Keeping legs supported also helps prevent swelling and stiffness. Even simple improvisation with available items can create a more comfortable seating position and reduce fatigue. Number 2. Control cabin light exposure. Light exposure plays a major role in how the body adjusts during a flight. Using an eye mask helps block unwanted light and signals the body to rest. Keeping the window shade closed during sleep time also improves rest quality. On the other hand, exposing the eyes to light when awake helps maintain alertness. Managing light carefully helps regulate the internal body clock, especially on long international flights. This simple habit can reduce jet lag and make arrival much smoother. Number 1. Stay mentally prepared and patient. The most important factor in surviving a long economy flight is mindset. Delays, limited space, and discomfort are part of the experience, but staying calm makes a huge difference. Accepting the situation and focusing on small comforts helps reduce frustration. Planning ahead, staying organized, and keeping expectations realistic allows the journey to feel more manageable. A relaxed mindset improves both physical and mental comfort, making the entire travel experience smoother from start to finish. Long economy flights do not have to feel exhausting or overwhelming when the right strategies are applied. These tips can completely transform the experience, making every journey more comfortable, controlled, and stress-free. Smart preparation is what separates an average traveler from someone who truly travels like a pro. If these tips were helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay connected for more practical travel insights that make every trip easier and better.